Today's video is sponsored by AnyTrans. We partnered up with AnyTrans to host a giveaway of a brand new iPhone 12. This is your chance to win a brand new iPhone 12. Very easy. All you have to do is follow the instructions for this giveaway. You can see right here, the contest rules are very simple. Make sure you share the first story of your very first iPhone, how that was, how you felt with your very first iPhone with the hashtag backup with AnyTrans on any social media, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Contest will end on November the 1st. The winner will win, of course, an iPhone 12 128 gigs, and the contest winner will be selected at random on November 2nd, 2020. So thank you to AnyTrans for sponsoring this video. Hey, what is up, guys? iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. This is the iPhone 12. This one is the product red. I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because there's a bit of a controversy that this red color looks more pinkish or peach color than it does red. So I wanted to unbox it and get your thoughts as well as share my thoughts here on videos. So let's get right to the unboxing of this brand new iPhone 12. So go ahead and get it out of the packaging. Now the iPhone 12, as you already know, is now available for you to go buy it. So here it is, the new iPhone 12 in product red. And yes, look at that. That does not look red. This is the new pink iPhone 12. It looks really nice. We'll get to some of that comparison of different colors here. Inside of the packaging, we get designed by Apple in California, as per usual. We also get the product red label, SIM extractor, and one Apple sticker. Now, we also get the Lightning to USB-C cable. Again, this one does not have the power brick adapter. So if you do not have a USB Type-C, you will be forced to buy a USB Type-C wall adapter similar to this one here. So, okay, let's go ahead and take a look at that phone and compare the actual colors. So in the front, we have the cover here. We have the indicators with the mute switch, volume up and down, power, and there we go. At the top of the phone, looks really sleek. Now, the edges of this phone, unlike the iPhone Pro version, this one is shiny, as you can see there. The edges are sort of shiny, and you can see the smudges on it already. I have the unboxing for that. Links will be in the description if you want to watch that unboxing. This one has more of a matte texture finish. I like that a whole lot, honestly. And not until I saw this here that I didn't know how much better that looks. But again, this product red iPhone just completely looks pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the front. There we go. And let's compare this to other Apple products that are red. So we're going to power up this device here, and let's go ahead and compare it to the product red iPhone 11. Take a look at that. So which one is red? And hopefully the camera will do it justice. But look at that. It's now pink, if you will, or peach color, if you will, on the new iPhone 12. I do like the color, honestly, but it's definitely not a red color. This is another example. Here's another product red. That is the red iPod Touch. In comparison to this, take a look at the different shades of red there. Let's go ahead and set it up here quickly. So after setting it up, here we go. And there it is, the new iPhone 12. Let's go ahead and check out the wallpapers here real quick now. And here are some of the new wallpapers available, of course. And this iPhone can stand on its own, just like so. Just like previous iPhone 5, 5S, and SE first generation. So that's a cool thing here as well about having these flat edges. But there you guys have it. That about brings an end to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more iPhone videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.